Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand for this one. Countertop styling, the deep fryers. Now we can see the units is all stainless steel made. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's about like 11 inches wide and about like 29 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 30.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units that have a single basket. We open the front door. We can see we have a switcher's controller right here. When you hear the click, and you can adjust the temperatures. And maximum about like a 400 Fahrenheit. And also the stickers right here, you can see the ETL sanitation stickers and the diagrams and the manual informations for the units. And also this one have faucets right here. You can just exchange the oils from the swatch pipes. When we're looking the inside of the top, we see the units have a basket right here. The hinge at the front is removable. If you're dirty, you can clean it, just pull it out to change it. So let's take a measurement here. This basket about like 8 inches wide and 13 inches long and 6 inches deep. So from the inside, we can see they have a notifies. They give you the minimal and the maximal, the oil levels. They give you a stickers right here. And also they have a exhaust the connection at the back. You can either put either under the ventilator hood or just connect the tubes on top of it and take a measurement for the oil pans. This one about like 10 inches wide, 13.5 inches long, and the overall height for this place about like 4.5 inches. This will be the all information about our products. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.